Today we're going to learn about great scientists from long ago. Now, most of the time, when a grown-up asks a kid who a scientist is, they always think it's a man wearing a white lab coat. But did you know a scientist can be anyone? Let's learn about scientists from long ago and how they were all very different. George Washington Carver was a great scientist whose work with plants improved farmers' crops. Right here you'll see Marie Curie. She was a great scientist whose work with radioactivity won her the Nobel Prize in 1903. This is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a great scientist whose work with light, matter, and energy won him the Nobel Prize in 1921. Next, we have a scientist named Rosalind Franklin. Rosalind Franklin was a great scientist who worked with DNA. DNA is something inside of us that gives us our traits, like blue eyes and brown hair. Our next scientist is Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur was a great scientist who studied the causes and prevention of disease. Jane Goodall is a great scientist who has spent most of her life studying chimpanzees. Boys and girls, I hope you learned a lot from some scientists from long ago. I hope you don't think a scientist is just a man in a white lab coat. A scientist can be anyone who asks questions and investigates the answers. Right now, I'd like you to get this paper and put your name on the top. Then you're going to draw what you think a scientist looks like.